So if we know that Amazon constantly reads and indexes your book for the keywords that you give it, we can actually reverse engineer the whole process. And we can specifically put keywords that we want to show up for. But what keywords do we actually want to index for? Well, there's two types of keywords. You have short tail keywords and you have long tail keywords. Now, short tail keywords are usually 1 to 3 words long, while long tail keywords are usually 4 or more words. Now, let's say we're publishing a book called High Protein Cookbook for Bodybuilders. Would this be a short tail keyword or a long tail keyword? Well, if we just count the words, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's automatically a long tail keyword. But that's not actually the reason it is a long tail keyword. The reason it's a long tail keyword is because it tells you what exactly the book is about. It also tells you roughly what your book is about. And it also tells you who the book is about. So a long tail keyword tells you the niche, the sub-niche, and the target audience. Now, do you think this is helpful to Amazon when it's trying to figure out where to put your book? Of course it is. So Amazon knows exactly who to show your book in front of and what your book is about. If you can give Amazon those two pieces of information, then they will know exactly where to place you to get the sale. But a lot of people mistake that short tail keywords are more powerful because of one simple reason. Here's the reason. Because they think short tail keywords are just better keywords. But what actually makes a good keyword? Well, there's two things that make up a good keyword. If you're a fisherman and you're trying to fish and you throw your net into the sea, if you have two options, a sea with 0 fish or a sea with hundreds of thousands of fish, which one would you pick to throw your net in? Probably the one where there's actually some fish in. And that's exactly how most publishers determine if a keyword is good or not, based on the traffic, based on how many people are searching for that keyword. Because the more searches, the more times you're going to pop up. Now, which one do you think gets more searches? Coloring book or animal coloring book for kids ages 12 to 14? Which one do you think gets more searches every month? Probably coloring book, because it's nice, simple, short, sweet. This is way too long. And like, what are the chances someone searches this? So most people automatically pick short tail keywords because it has a lot more traffic. But that's not all keywords are good for. That's only one of the things. And everyone seems to forget that it's even more important that keywords teach Amazon exactly what we said earlier, what your book is about and who it's for. Because if Amazon knows what your book is about and who it's for, it knows who to show you in front of that is more likely to buy your book. So simple. So when you're judging keywords, you're not judging the keywords based on the traffic only. You're basing them off teaching Amazon exactly what your book is about. You're going to know exactly why later when I show you how the keyword algorithm works. But before I say that, there's one more thing you need to know. Okay, so we know that a good keyword has traffic and it teaches Amazon exactly what your book is about and who it's for. Because if Amazon knows that, it can show it to the correct people and give you money. But how do you actually find these keywords?